Okay, so we're going to do explore 10 for 4.2, and here's just the instructions. It says match each equation to the phrase that describes the transformation from y equals 1 over x. So I'm going to put all my like wordy stuff over here and all my equations over here. So which one of these do you guys want? Let's just start with, let's see, vertical stretch by a factor of b. Which one of these is a vertical stretch by a factor of b? What did you guys say? Yeah, right. So a lot of you got the right answer. You guys said b over x, Miss Johnson. And I know that because b is in charge of, and I used a, b is in charge of multiplying out and giving it a stretch. So these two go together, this guy and this guy. So I'm gonna like move these guys over here, and then maybe my answers will go over there. Okay, so which one is a reflection over the x-axis? Which one of these is a reflection? Reflection. Okay, so yeah, very good. Someone said this, and that's exactly right. So that negative is in charge of, instead of my branches being upper right, lower left, it flipped it. So now it's upper left, lower right, right? So very good. Which one of these is in charge of a vertical shift of b, making the horizontal asymptote y equals b? So vertical shift of b. Which one of these is in charge of a vertical shift of b? Yeah, B plus, right? I'm looking for B plus or plus B. This is the one. Now, some of you are a little bit confused between this guy and this guy. So the way I describe it is I say to the function, see 1 over x is a function, or to the x. If it's happening just to x, that means it's happening to the x direction. So that's how I know this one's this. And let's see, this is going to be a horizontal shift. Oh, and this is going to be a horizontal shift, right? So this guy is a horizontal shift to the right. Which one of these is horizontal shift to the right? To the right, to the right, to the right. Yeah, minus B. Very good. Some of you got it mixed up. I know you were typing pretty fast. I get it. So yes. So remember, because he lives in backwards land, right? Making this guy a horizontal shift to the left. See my plus B? Plus B in my brain says to the right. But again, because it's X, we move them backwards. So these are your answers. And this actually should help you fill out this slide here, which is the next one that we need to make sure that we understand. So I need to make sure that you guys understand how to do number 12. Students get a little bit like, Miss Johnson, there's no numbers. Then put a number there and then change the number back to B. Okay, so this is the one that we'll be going over later on. So thank you so much for listening.